Here are the simultaneous pressure tracings from the aorta and the left ventricle. What is the interpretation? The tracings show a gradient between the left ventricle and aorta. Peak left ventricular pressure is significantly higher than the peak aortic pressure. Normally, the difference between the two pressures is negligible. The difference is known as peak-to-peak gradient. This pattern of pressure tracings is seen in valvular aortic stenosis. In hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy, the aortic tracing will show a spike and dome pattern with an initial rapid upstroke. In valvular aortic stenosis, it is a delayed tardus and reduced parvus upstroke corresponding to the pulsus parvus a tardus. Two catheters are needed to record simultaneous pressure tracings. Recording of the femoral sheath sidearm pressure should not be used as a surrogate of aortic pressure. Peak-to-peak gradient is not an ideal measure to assess the severity of aortic stenosis, as the peaks of aortic and left ventricular pressures occur at different times. An electronic mean gradient is calculated using computer processing. Earlier, it used to be measured by manual planimetry on a printout taken on graph paper. The gradient measured on Doppler echocardiography is peak instantaneous gradient and not peak-to-peak gradient. Carabello effect is due to the enhanced obstruction across the aortic wall when the catheter is in the left ventricle in critical aortic stenosis. This can be observed as a rise in the aortic pressure when the catheter is pulled back from the left ventricle. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and post your valuable comment below this video.